Oh my God, look at this. Oh man, look at that wind. It's terrible. This wind's terrible. Look at the wind. Oh my God. Wow. This wind is crazy. It's really coming down. It's really coming down right here. Really coming down right here. Today is Sunday, May 11th. Also known as Mother's Day. Pretty close to where I live now. Oh man. Oh my God. There's apartments right there. Holy moly, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh man. This is bad. Yeah, we're almost home. Oops. There we go. Oh, it's really windy now. Oh man. This is worse than yesterday. Yesterday it rained. Even though yesterday it rained, but it's a lot worse right now. I'm guessing overnight the rain turned into snow. It's so weird. Like I said, it's snowing in sorry, my memory's bad. It's snowing in, oh, yep, that's where our complex is. But we're gonna get a bite to eat first. You guys can't see it, but that's our complex right there. That's where we live right there, but we're gonna get a bite to eat first somewhere. Or maybe, yeah. Because we're turning on Mississippi Avenue. Oh man, this is a really bad snowstorm. Yeah, it's supposed to be snowing the entire day. Yep, there's a bunch of stuff I live near. Barnes and Nobles, that store's boring. Haven't been there forever. Jared, I don't think I've ever been there. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.